ओम साई नमो नमः। श्री साई नमो नमः। जय जय साई नमो नमः। सद्गुरु साई नमो नमः। ओम साई राम, जय साई राम। आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है साईं बाबा के चैनल साईं तेरे नाम में। जैसा कि आप सभी को मालूम होगा कि मैं हर थर्सडे को आपके लिए बाबा से जुड़े मिरेकल्स एक्सपीरियंसेस लाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। आई होप आपको पसंद आ रहा होगा। अगर आपके साथ भी कोई भी साईं बाबा से जुड़ा कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस है, मिरेकल्स है, तो आप भी हमारे चैनल के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। सो प्लीज़ डोंट हेजिटेट टू शेयर विद अस। बाबा ने भी कहा है कि साईं सचरित्र में कहा था कि बाबा ने कि हमें जितना भी बाबा की लीलाओं का गुणगान करेंगे, लोगों तक पहुंचाएंगे, हमें उतना ही फल प्राप्त होगा, उतनी ही बाबा की कृपा प्राप्त होगी, उतना ही बाबा की कृपा प्राप्त करने का अवसर प्राप्त होगा और हम बाबा के नज़दीक जा पाएंगे। तो आप भी बाबा से कृपा प्राप्त करने का अवसर ले हमारे चैनल के द्वारा। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। एक बहुत ही सुंदर एक्सपीरियंस है एक साईं डिवोटी के द्वारा कि कैसे बाबा की कृपा अपने भक्तों को अपनी ओर खींचती है। जो बाबा के बच्चे दुखों को देखकर घबरा जाते हैं और फिर बाबा कैसे उन्हें अपने होने का प्रूफ देते हैं कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, तुम्हारे आसपास ही हूँ, तो तुम क्यों घबराते हो। सुख दुख तो इस जीवन का ही हिस्सा है। हमें दुख इसलिए फेस करने होते हैं जिससे हम भगवान के करीब जा सके, नज़दीक हो पाए। तो मैं उनका एक ऑडियो आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। सो प्लीज़ लिसन केयरफुली एंड डिवोशनली। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram. First of all, I would like to thank this platform for giving a wonderful opportunity to share the experience Sai Baba. He is such a wonderful experience. It is 3 to 4 years back I became the devotee of Sai Baba. It is just because of my husband, because he was a strong devotee of Sai Baba. Always he used to make me to read the Satcharita. First I was not interested. Then as I read the book, I was reading the chapters. I could see the experiences felt by the people. Slowly, I got some trigger point. I could feel that Baba is just around us. Whatever happens, it happens with a reason. Slowly, I could have that faith. This is like starting, like when we have faith on Baba, like many times I've heard, like Baba says, if you are forward one step, I will be towards you by 10 steps. This I have experienced. Starting when you get a faith, you'll be experiencing Baba everywhere. But there will be one point where you feel like what is happening around you. You'll be facing so many problems, but you can see Baba is not helping you. But this is not true. This is a thing, like Baba is testing you. He is testing our faith. In our happiness, if I have remembered Baba, then He is testing us. During the sorrow, whether we remember Him or whether we are going to say that Baba, why He is not helping us, whether we are giving any complaints. But this is not true. So if we are remembering Baba only during our sorrow times, then we have to remember Baba during our happiness also. I have experienced one wonderful experience of Baba. It was from like 2018, I went to Shirdi. In 2019, I couldn't go to Shirdi. Even in 2020, because of the pandemic, we couldn't go to Shirdi. Always we used to go to Shirdi by one tour, which was organized by Surat sir. He was organizing a wonderful tour to Shirdi. In 2020, it couldn't happen because of the pandemic. So this year, that is in 2021, February, it was a tour. A tour was held to Shirdi, and I was excited very much. I was very happy to go to Shirdi. Till there was 1 week to go to Shirdi. There were rumors like second wave of pandemic has been. So there is strict rules in Maharashtra. On the border, we have many tests. Then only we can enter Maharashtra. But the tour organizer, that is Surat sir, he said like nothing. We will be going. This is everything happens because of Baba. If Baba wants us to come there, he will definitely allow us to come there. Nothing can be stopped. So before day also, I did not pack anything because I was shocked of the situations. Suddenly, in the morning, the same day, evening, we had to left to Shirdi. Suddenly, Surat sir called us and said, like, the tour has to be cancelled. It was Friday. The tour has to be cancelled. We cannot go to Shirdi. I was very much disappointed. The whole day I was thinking, like, why Baba? Why you did not allow us to come there? I was sad that every Thursday and Friday we put doop to Baba and we do the aarti in the evening at home. We sing Sai bhajans. So the same evening we were praying to God, we were doing Sai bhajan. I was full of tears. My question was to Baba, why you did not allow us to come to Shirdi? I was crying and I was just asking God, Baba, why you did this to me? Then suddenly I saw the wall, like where we pray, just where we have the photo of Sai Baba. I just looked at him. I was just crying. My husband and my daughter, they were busy in the bhajan. Suddenly I could see his picture on the wall, exactly above Sai Baba's photo. It was like I couldn't believe what I am seeing, whether it is true. Maybe I was thinking about him, so I could see that. Still I was shocked. Then I couldn't call my husband and my daughter also because they were praying. I stopped till everything, like I was waiting until everything gets over. Then suddenly, slowly I told my daughter, just check whether you can see Baba's image on the wall. Even she is a big devotee of Baba. Suddenly she could see the two eyes. Then I was little bit relaxed. I told my husband also. Even he could experience the same thing. Suddenly, even when I say these things, now also with my relatives, my friends, when I share this image, I get goosebumps. Because it was a message from Baba. To see me, you don't have to come to Shirdi. I am here itself. So he gave a nice message to me. I was very happy. Still, after that, also, He has given me wonderful experiences. But this is one experience which I can share with everyone. I am blessed and I am very happy to share this experience with you all. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.